What if you had a personal trainer, a nutritionist, and a health coach, all available 24 hours a day, completely free? No gym membership, no expensive supplements, no confusing diet plans. In this video, I am going to show you 5 free AI tools that will completely change how you approach your health and fitness, starting today. Anyone can use these, no fitness experience needed. Stay till the end, because tool number 5 is something most fitness influencers will never tell you about, and it works better than any paid app out there. Welcome back to AI Hub Prompt, where we show you the best free AI tools that make real life easier. If you are new here, every week we cover practical AI tools for everyday people. Hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Now, let's talk about health. The fitness industry makes $100 billion every year selling you things you do not need: expensive gym memberships, overpriced meal plans, paid coaching apps. In 2026, AI gives you all of that for free. Let's get into it. Tool number 1: ChatGPT as your personal workout planner. Most people either follow random YouTube workouts or pay hundreds for a personal trainer. ChatGPT replaces both for free. Here is the prompt. Open ChatGPT and type, "Create a 4-week workout plan for me. I am age years old, male, female. My goal is lose weight, build muscle, get fit. I can work out X days per week for X minutes. I have access to gym, home, no equipment. Make it progressive and beginner friendly." ChatGPT will create a complete 4-week plan, day by day, exercise by exercise, sets and reps included. It even tells you how to progress each week. You can also ask, "Show me how to do each exercise correctly," and it explains the exact form so you avoid injury. This alone replaces a $100 per month personal trainer. Tool number 2: ChatGPT as your personal nutritionist. Nutrition is where most people fail. They either eat too little, too much, or the wrong things. A real nutritionist costs $100 per session. ChatGPT does it for free in 30 seconds. Use this prompt. Create a 7-day meal plan for me. My goal is lose weight, build muscle. I weigh X kg, I am X cm tall, and I am age years old. I do not like foods you dislike. My budget is $X per week. Include calories and protein for each meal. ChatGPT gives you a complete weekly meal plan with calories, protein, carbs, and fat for every single meal. It even gives you a shopping list. You can also take a photo of your fridge and ask, "What healthy meals can I make with these ingredients?" No more excuses about not knowing what to eat. Tool number 3: using AI to fix your sleep. Most people do not realize that bad sleep destroys your fitness progress. You can train perfectly and eat right, but without quality sleep, your body cannot recover or lose weight. Here is a ChatGPT prompt that creates a personalized sleep plan. I want to improve my sleep quality. I currently sleep at time and wake up at time. I have trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, waking up tired. I use my phone before bed. Create a personalized evening routine and sleep optimization plan for me. ChatGPT will give you a complete evening routine: what time to stop using your phone, what temperature to keep your room, what to eat and avoid before bed, simple breathing exercises to fall asleep faster. Better sleep means better workouts, faster fat loss, and more energy, and it costs absolutely nothing. Tool number 4: AI for mental health and stress management. Physical fitness is only half the picture. Stress and anxiety destroy your health just as much as bad food. And therapy costs hundreds of dollars per session. Use this prompt for a personalized stress management plan. I feel stressed and overwhelmed most days. My main stressors are work, money, family. I have X minutes per day for myself. Create a simple daily mental wellness routine that includes breathing exercises, journaling prompts, and mindfulness techniques. Make it realistic for a busy person. ChatGPT creates a complete mental wellness routine: morning affirmations, breathing exercises, evening journaling prompts, all personalized to your specific situation. You can also use a free app called Insight Timer, the world's largest free meditation app, combined with ChatGPT guidance for a complete mental health toolkit. Tool number 5, and this is the one that ties everything together. Most people start a fitness journey but quit after 2 weeks because they cannot see progress. AI fixes this. Every week, give ChatGPT your health data and ask it to analyze your progress. Here is my health data for this week. Weight, X kg. Workouts completed, X out of X. Average sleep, X hours. Water intake, X liters per day. Energy level, 1 to 10. Mood, 1 to 10. Analyze my progress. What is working? What should I change? Give me 3 specific adjustments for next week. ChatGPT acts like a personal health coach. It analyzes your data, spots patterns you would miss, and gives you specific actionable advice every single week. This weekly check-in system is what separates people who actually reach their fitness goals from those who give up after 1 month. Quick pause. If this is helping you, hit the like button right now. I am putting all 5 ChatGPT prompts from this video in the pinned comment below, completely free. Go grab them after the video. So, there you have it, 5 free AI tools that replace your personal trainer, nutritionist, sleep coach, therapist, and health tracker. All completely free. All available right now on your phone. The fitness industry does not want you to know this, because when AI gives you everything for free, you stop buying their expensive products. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Next week, I am covering how students can use AI to study smarter and get better grades without paying for tutors. See you in the next one.